Okay, we have a great story to tell. My name is Nan Helgeland.
Kathy Higgins.
And we both live here in Malibu. I own a vineyard and a winery in Santa Barbara County. And Kathy owns Polished Nail Salon and Boutique on Point Dume. And I had rescued a baby crow in my backyard this summer. And a good friend of mine, Dolores, who owns the Godmother of Malibu, I called her, I said, what should I do with this baby crow? And she said, call the California Wildlife Center. And I called them, and they said, bring him over. And so I brought him over, and they checked him in, and they gave me an intake number so that I could call every day or go online to check on his progress. And then, as it turns out, Kathy has a client who works for the California Wildlife Center and was talking with Kathy about this event, and Kathy said, I have a friend with a winery and she would love to pour at that event. So it's this fantastic, you know, circle of events, and so here we are today.
That's great. And how's your crow?
Oh, he's okay. So we weren't sure if it was a male or a female, so we named it Poppy, P-O-P-I, because we thought that would cover everything. So when he was taken in, I asked if he could be released back in our backyard, and they said that they do. That is their intent, always, to try to release the animal where it was discovered. But what they do is they put them in an aviary with other crows, and then they form a new family with those crows. And so he had formed a new family in a group of 10. And so they released them elsewhere because I have a lot of crows, and I thought I'd love to have him back, but I don't know that I need 10 more crows in my yard. But he grew up and formed this new family, and he was released, and he's healthy and happy.